Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
A few moments later.
Hai guys, ketemu lagi di Mam Abil channel. Sekarang Mam Abil sedang berada di stadion Glora Sriwijaya Palembang. Kita mau nonton pertandingan sepak bola Timnas Indonesia U19 lawan Mynmar. Langsung aja yuk kita tonton videonya bersama-sama.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4.
Indonesia tertinggal 1 gol lebih dulu dari tim lawan. Gol tercipta pada menit ke-48. Pemain Timnas Sriwijaya ditarik keluar karena mendapat benturan keras dari pemain Mynmar. Di kesempatan adu penalti, 2 pemain Indonesia yang berhasil mencetak gol, Marsekal Yuliana Awi dan Claudia Alexandra Skiuneman.
Pada kesempatan babak adu penalti, pemain Timnas Indonesia berhasil mencetak 2 gol. Untuk pemain 2 lainnya gagal mencetak gol. Dan untuk pemain Mynmar itu mereka berhasil mencetak gol 4 pemain. Akhirnya kedudukan skor akhir adalah 4-2 untuk kemenangan Mynmar. Mynmar 4, Indonesia 2. Sehingga Timnas U19 gagal untuk merebut peringkat ketiga. Dan akhirnya tim Indonesia kalah guys dan gagal merebut piala AFF U19 Wanita tahun 2023.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hey guys,
Ini dia kami udah selesai nonton ya sama Abil,
guys.
sama Papa Abil. Udah mau pulang dari nonton apa kita Bil? Nonton bola. Ngerti nggak ngerti tetap nonton. Ini dia Papa Abil.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path.
Oke guys, segini dulu videonya. Aku mau pulang dulu ya. Thank you buat yang sudah menonton dari awal sampai akhir. See you next video. Bye bye.
That I go, I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop.
Ini waktu kami mau pulang, ini pagarnya ditutup dulu guys. Jadi kami belum bisa keluar nih. Karena ini lagi ada kedatangan tim dari Vietnam dan Thailand.
They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Thank you for watching my video. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.